Hi, this is Taylor with Tailgate N Go, and I'm going to show you how to attach your Blackstone Griddle. To install your Blackstone Griddle, you first want to get your stabilizer leg locked into the brace on the box. You want to take the base of your griddle, slip it into our patented notch system onto the box, and use that stabilizer leg on the brace on the Blackstone Griddle. Then, you want to take your flat ceramic top. Then you're just going to want to screw in your propane adapter. It goes right on the side here. Then you'll just take your standard propane bottle. Now that you've got your propane installed on your Blackstone Griddle, you'll want to start it. Press in on the button to acclimate the gas through the gas lines, and then you'll just click over to light it. Take your drip guard before you start cooking, and you'll put it on the back there. And that's our Blackstone Griddle, part of our Tailgate N Go attachments.